Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi everybody, it's January.
And you know what that means.
It's time to get healthy.
It's time to get healthy. Do some push-ups on the ground.
But for real, I did make a New Year's resolution to clean off the treadmill and actually use it for exercise.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Good resolution, babe.
I haven't done it yet.
It's in a work in progress.
Today's the day. Today's the day. I dress sporty, and after we do this, I'm going up there and I'm gonna walk.
I mean, half the battle is just dressing sporty, right?
Right?
Right.
Halfway there.
So to continue with our month of healthy recipes, we're talking breakfast today.
We're talking a little breakfast. I am not a big breakfast person. I generally just would like a donut or a pastry of some kind.
Which isn't necessarily the most healthy thing you can have in the morning for breakfast.
How dare you?
I'm just saying.
How dare you?
I'm saying today we're going to be making something that is healthy and you can have for breakfast or you can have for a mid-afternoon snack.
How about that, folks?
Either way.
How about that?
You know, after you work out, you need to have some, some healthy things to put in your body,
Yes.
Right.
So Josh, what are we making today?
So today we're going to be making overnight oats. And you probably heard of these before.
Listen, Josh said to me, Ange, I want to make overnight oats. And I was like, I don't know what you're talking about.
It's true. I was like, they've been pretty popular. Anyway, whatever.
Okay, folks, I mean, I've never heard of this, but let's do it.
All right, so here's what you'll need for the overnight oats base. 1/4 cup old-fashioned oats, 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup unsweetened milk of your choice, 2 teaspoons chia seeds, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla.
Okay, these are really cute. Is this what they go in?
Yes, so you can use any type of half pint like mason jar. This is actually a tulip jelly jar. Very fancy. I just like the way they look. You just want to make sure that it's able to close, and glass works better for these overnight oats.
I might actually eat this because I'm a sucker for packaging and I think that's so cute.
I thought you might be. That's why I got them. All right, this is super, super easy.
Okay.
Seriously. All you do is you add the oats, the chia seeds, the salt, mix that together, get it all incorporated. Next, we're going to add the almond milk.
Do you always use almond milk?
You can use any type of non-fat milk that you want, okay? So almond milk, any of the nut milks are great, or regular milk is great too, but I like the flavor of almond milk, especially with the oats.
Okay.
But it's your choice, okay? This is just how we like it. Next, we're going to add the Greek yogurt, and this is non-fat Greek yogurt, so really good for you, high in protein.
Why are you looking at me?
I'm just saying. All right, then we'll add the vanilla.
Okay.
And this is the base. So now let's talk about customizing it.
Yes, let's, because right now it looks a little gross.
I would actually probably like it like this.
I know you would, but I need some sweet stuff.
Yeah.
I need something.
So the first one I want to try is the banana butter chocolate chip. So besides the base, here's what you need for the banana butter chocolate chip. 1 tablespoon honey. 1/4 ripe banana chopped, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 tablespoon chocolate chips. So the first thing we're going to add is the honey. Now the honey adds just a little bit of sweetness.
Thank you.
But it's healthy still. It's healthier than just using like regular sugar. So add the honey.
Okay.
And then we'll mix that in. Add the bananas, the almond butter, and then the chocolate chips. We're gonna mix this all together. And now we're going to just put it into our tulip jar and then put it in the fridge.
For how long?
Okay, so you don't have to put it in overnight. Okay, overnight oats, you can, obviously, and it'll last actually for a few days in the fridge, but it takes about 2 hours to congeal. So just want to kind of get all those oats in there. Looks good, huh, babe?
It looks so gross. But I'm gonna try it.
Okay, and then we'll put the lid on.
Okay.
Snaps. So this is the banana butter chocolate chip, and we'll put that in the fridge.
Okay.
All right, so the next overnight oat we're making is the raspberry almond. So here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 tablespoon honey, 1/4 cup raspberries cut, 2 teaspoons shaved almonds. So first we'll add the honey, and then we'll mix that in. Next you're gonna add the raspberries and the almonds.
Do I mix it with this guy?
Yep.
Okay.
Spatula. So just mix it kind of lightly together.
All right.
And then we'll transfer it to this this jar.
So that is all done, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge.
All right, cool. And then we'll move on to the last one, which is my favorite, the maple, brown sugar, and pecan. So here's what you need for the maple, brown sugar, and pecan overnight oat. 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 cup chopped pecans. So the first thing we'll do is add the maple syrup, so go ahead and pour that in, and I'll stir it. So now we'll add the brown sugar and the cinnamon, lastly the pecans. And again, we're just going to mix this together.
That does smell good, but it's probably the cinnamon and the sugar, the maple sugar.
It's everything. It's
Okay.
everything. It's all gonna taste delicious.
Okay.
You'll see.
Okay.
And you'll feel so much better in your body because you'll be healthy and
Okay.
strong. Again, we're just going to pour it into this jar.
Don't let the noise deter you from trying it.
And I will put that lid on.
I'll let you put the lid on since the last time I did it, I almost took your eye out.
She almost took my eye out. Seriously.
Oh.
Fun in the kitchen.
Fun in the kitchen with Angela.
All right, so that's the last one. So we're gonna put these in the fridge for a couple hours, and then we'll try them. All right, we're done. The overnight oats are done in only 2 hours.
And look at them. You made them look so cute. Josh does little toppings.
I did. Well, I want you to try it, and I know how important aesthetics are to you in your food. I think we give it a shot. Which one should we try first?
I want to try the banana chocolate chip.
All right, make sure you actually get some of the oats in there too, not just the topping.
I will.
Awesome. Yeah.
That's actually really good.
Yeah, okay.
I would do this one.
Good and good for you,
I would
okay?
do this one.
All right, now the raspberry almond.
I like the banana one a lot.
This one's really good. It's not as sweet as the banana and chocolate one, but I like it.
So far my favorite's the banana for sure.
All right. Mmm.
All right.
That's my favorite, hands down.
Well, you love pecans. This is like all your favorites.
Yeah. I mean, it tastes like dessert to me.
I like it. I just wouldn't put pecans in it. But I like the maple syrup and I like the cinnamon.
Cool.
All right, Josh.
All right.
You made me a believer.
You think so?
I do. I really do. I really like the banana and the chocolate chip
Awesome.
almond butter one. Oh, it's so good, really.
Yeah,
it really
it
is.
actually is.
Actually, really good. And I think this size is perfect. I couldn't eat more than that.
No, it's really important to have good portions when you're trying to eat healthier too. So this is great. All right, so we'll see you next week, guys.
We'll see you next week. We hope you're having a great 2019, and thanks for stopping by our kitchen.
And stick to those resolutions.
Oh my gosh. He's just really intense about being healthy. Sometimes.
All
All right, bye you guys.
Bye.
Time to get healthy.
Yeah, get healthy. Come on, do it. Do it.
Oh my god. You like take it serious.
I know.
I'm like, time to get healthy. You're like, ooh.
You smell the almond butter?
Okay.
Yeah.
I kind of really put my nose in there.
Yay!
Healthy January.
Here we go. Yep.
Working out, eating healthy.
Exactly.
Our doctor's gonna come get you.
I'll come get you. No.
No.
Not really.
Not really. He's just really intense.